This patient's teeth are covered in thick, rock-hard tartar, and today we're showing you exactly how we remove it, step by step. Stay till the end to see the final transformation. If you're lucky enough to have clean teeth, consider subscribing. If not, don't worry, give me a thumbs up. You see this? This is years of plaque that turned into hard tartar, and brushing alone can't remove it. But don't worry, we've got this. First, we check the severity of the tartar buildup. Heavy tartar can cause gum disease, loose teeth, and bad breath, so professional removal is a must. If the tartar is deep under the gums, we may apply a local anesthetic to prevent discomfort. Once all tartar is removed, we polish the teeth to make them smooth. To strengthen enamel and prevent future buildup, we apply fluoride. And that is it. If you made it this far, you know how important dental cleanings are. Don't wait until tartar takes over. If you need this cleaning, book your dentist visit today. I want to know, how often do you visit the dentist? Drop a comment below.